The elevator pitch. I've noticed there's a high turnover rate within the marketing industry. Bringing the right people on as ambassadors for not only your clients, but a marketing company is just as important as how organized their onboarding and training experience is. My name is Erica McIntyre, and I've begun a career in Journey with industrial organizational psychology. IO psychology allows me to blend my passion for customer and employee experience, marketing, behavior, and social learning theories to help optimize work environments, business practices, and redefine work culture. With the use of social learning theories, such as Bandura's research with imitation, training a sales team in a comfortable environment could increase consistency with pitch integrity, produce an empowered attitude for sales representatives, and help create an efficient onboarding process that takes into consideration personal values, motivation, and development. Newburn Excel is a rapidly growing company that takes after your impressive rise to being CEO in less than 2 years. Can you connect me with someone who is in need of lower turnover rates and empowered ambassadors? So, Richard Anderson is the CEO of Newburn Excel, which is a marketing company that I briefly worked at. After my husband severely injured his knee, I had to end my employment there and take care of him and our kids. While I was brought on for one role, they stressed their desire to move people up into executive roles rather quickly. The entire process was a bit confusing, but the company is profitable. They lacked an organized onboarding and training process, um, but had hopes of doing things differently to break typical traditional classroom training styles. This has resulted in high turnover rates because people learn differently. Roles are not assigned based on interest, and mentors lack the training they need to properly develop ambassadors. Richard began in the same position I was in and worked his way up through the self paced system. He leads with transparency, high energy, and extremely fast pace. Thank you.